I reckon a good starting point here then would be
Yeah.
that in the UK at the minute, there's a huge talk about two-tier justice, two-tier policing. And
Yeah.
there's a second one in there, the right to a fair trial.
Yeah.
So let's just take, like, what does that mean? And what is fairness? Is it procedural fairness? Is it is it equity and equality under the law? Is it that the law is applied universally to everyone? Or at the end of the day, judges are only human. And so therefore, we have to be very careful to guard against, you know, subconscious bias.
Mm.
And so when we say the right to a fair trial, does that mean, does that mean that everybody gets the right to a jury trial? Does the judge's background and their prejudice gets looked at? And what about the local community feeling at the time? Because there's a lot of stories over the years that have come out of, you know, one person seems to get a prison sentence for a long time for, like, say, for example, printing leaflets with mean words on them, but someone else who has engaged engaged in rape might only get a year or two because that they have there was some cultural differences or there was some misunderstanding. And what I'm trying to say here is that that kind of statement that everyone has the right to, what was it again?
No, no, no. I mean, the key word here, I think, the right to a fair
Yeah.
trial.
And
So,
I guess what I'm trying to say is that that's one thing that would be interesting. Like, what is a fair trial
yeah.
and who decides?